Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to monitor your computer's CPU uses, RAM uses, and live internet speed directly from the Windows Taskbar without opening Task Manager every time, this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step. So let's get started. So first open Microsoft Store and search for the application name as Widber Widget Taskbar System by Andrea Del Bello. Install this application. After installation is done, just click on Open. After opening Widver, you will see its main interface. On the left side, you will find different sections used for installing and managing widget. From the left panel, click Showcase and scroll down and you will find the System Matrix widget. Just click on Get to install the System Matrix widget, and this will open Microsoft Store again. From Microsoft Store, just click Get again to install this widget. The installation only takes a few seconds. Once it's installed, the widget becomes available immediately. Now, close the Microsoft Store and go back to Widver application again. And you'll see here the System Matrix widget is installed. Now, again, go to left panel again and click on Layout to adjust or to add System Matrix widget into Windows Taskbar. Now, you'll see here in this interface Taskbar layout and live preview option. To add System Matrix widget into Windows Taskbar, just click and drag it to the live preview bar like this. Once you add this widget onto the live preview bar, this widget will be available on the Windows Taskbar. You can see here. Now close the Widver application window. Now just click on this widget again to see the detailed information like CPU, memory, GPU uses, and many useful informations. To configure or customize its setting and looks, just click on this gear icon on the top right corner. From here you can change the layout. Like this. You can change it to different layout. Change the or adjust the spacing, number, precision, alignment. You can adjust the alignment. You can also change the matrix and colors and label name. Here you can hide or show the items like CPU, it's already turned on. If you want to hide this from showing on Taskbar, just turn it off, and this will hide from showing in the Taskbar. Now let's enable the network speed also. You can sense the network display value from download or upload, or you can sense download and upload. Direction marker to arrow, you can see here it's showing here. You can also show or add CPU temperature also. Unit you can sense from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Once everything looks good in the preview, save or apply the settings. System Matrix widget is now running live on Windows Taskbar. As you can see here. So this is especially useful if you want to monitor CPU uses while gaming, and also want to keep an eye on memory uses during video editing. Watch your internet speed while downloading large file. Also, it is helpful to detect quickly high resources uses without opening any additional tools. And that's how you can monitor live CPU, RAM, and internet speed directly from your Windows Taskbar using Widbar. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.